Okay, so they're telling us that segment BD bisects angle ABC. You can see my goofy drawing because I was playing with my tools here and it makes arrows. So anyway, uh, now if the measure of angle ABC right here uh, is 7x, and that's why this whole thing, this green 7x means it goes all the way, and the measure of angle ABD, A to B to D, right here, is 3x plus 36. Then find the measure of DBC. Well, we know these are equal, right? Because it's bisecting, so that makes them exactly equal. So now we can write as an equation, uh, oops, something funny is happening here. Uh, okay. As an equation, we can write, let's see, 3x plus 36 plus another 3x plus 36 for the other angle, for this angle, equals 7x. Okay? And then we'll just solve it. We're going to combine like terms. We got 6x plus 72 equals 7x. And we subtract 6x from both sides. We get 72 is equal to x. Now, they don't want us to find x. They want us to find the angle itself. And so let me just pair these all together. Nope, doesn't work. And let's say if this one is 3x plus 36, then this one is 3x plus 36 as well. So we can just do the same thing. We can take 3x plus 36, and we can put in there 72. Okay? 3 times 72 is 216 plus 36 is 252 degrees. Okay? Now, I'm curious if any one of you, if you can tell me what's funny about that number. Um, if you can tell me in person what's funny about this number in terms of the problem, uh, I will consider giving you a bonus point for just being able to tell me why is that particularly unusual. So anyway, track me down, talk to me about it. If you can explain it, if you're the first person to come to me and explain it, I'll give you a bonus point, let's say on the test.